Hi there, everyone. Hello, Edmonton. Dr. Ken Ferguson here. I want to take this opportunity during this Facebook video to share with you what we do here at the office. I have the opportunity to work with some fantastic people, some massage therapists, acupuncturists, holistic nutritionists, and also yoga instructors. I mean, there's a lot that goes into helping somebody get from point A to point B when they're not moving well or feeling well. And I feel like we do a great job in this clinic. It's just that not everybody's had the opportunity to see the clinic. So we're getting ready for a special invite-only patient appreciation event here at the clinic. So I wanted to take this opportunity to showcase the clinic itself and some of the work that we do here. So why don't you follow me inside and you can have a look with me. So I want to take the opportunity to thank a few people first and foremost for helping to make this event happen. We got some great food here spread out, provided by Kalina Catering. They've done a great job of having some eats ready. I've been working all day, so I'm probably going to be one of the first people to dip in on some of the food action here. But this is a small token of showing some appreciation and thanks to our patient base and client base that really support us, support a lot of the work that we do. They refer their friends and family here, which is a genuine compliment to us because we really strive every day to do the best work that we possibly can. If you notice though that there's some really nice decor here with the tables and the centerpieces, so I want to make sure to thank ETC Decor for some of the ambiance that they provided here for the clinic, and also Best Buds is where we got the centerpieces for the tables. Follow me further, there's more.
It's crazy, it's weird.
We got a wine tasting here by Color Divino and Ramon Miranda. He's been very generous with this time. He's not going to charge me a dime for any of the liquor that's being poured here this evening, which is awesome. But in all seriousness, Color Divino is a boutique wine store located in the Ritchie area of Edmonton. And when you go in there, you have any questions, they're going to be able to answer them for you. If you don't know what wine you're looking for, Ramon will tell you what you should be drinking, okay? But without further ado, I want to show you more of the clinic. So come on down. So we are a chiropractic clinic, multi-service, and as chiropractors, we are uniquely concerned at making sure that the spine and nervous system, the patient that we're dealing with, is at optimal level, okay? If you're not moving well, bending well, your muscles aren't firing well, one of the ways we go about examining that is by trying to understand how much nerve energy is going to your muscles and how your nervous system is helping to control the rest of your body. So we run two scans. One is a static muscle scan that's run alongside the spine, and another is a heat scan that's run alongside the spine, showing us different aspects of the nervous system, and it gives us a starting place to have objective measurements of someone's function, so that depending on whatever treatment protocols, whether that be chiropractic care, massage therapy, acupuncture services that we prescribe for the individual, we can come back to these tests so that we can understand objectively what kind of improvements are being made. Okay, so another piece of technology that we use in the office here is shockwave therapy. Shockwave therapy is a very effective tool to try to deal with scar tissue, adhesions, old muscle injuries that you just might have trouble getting over. Okay, so I have been using this technology for the past few years in practice, and quite simply, it's an extremely valuable tool because, as I said, we're uniquely concerned about the spine and nervous system of our patients. But with that being said, we understand that joints are very complex, and when a joint becomes dysfunctional, we have to be willing and able to search for other answers that might get, again, the person from point A to point B. Shockwave therapy, again, has been a great tool. We use it for things like plantar fasciitis. We use it for things like heel spurs. People who are experiencing calcifications due to old muscle injuries, and whether that be in the forearm or the shoulder. So again, it's a great tool. In this room over here, I want to be able to showcase some of the rehabilitative techniques, if you will, that we utilize here at the office. Because again, we're focused on spine and nervous system as chiropractors. And one thing that we find that we need to try to do for our patients is give them an opportunity to relax the tension and stress that's created, whether that be from poor spinal posture that we can see through posture picture analysis, or poor spinal posture that we can see and determine from x-ray analysis. In either case, what we use here are these foam fulcrum blocks. And what they allow for, we have the trustee spine example here, but you lay on your back, head over here, low back over here, and what these foam blocks do is give a certain type of extension, relaxed extension force that helps people overcome the forward head posture that they might be experiencing, the leaning forward that they might be experiencing when they're sitting at their desk or they're sitting at their workstation for extended periods of time. So this is a great tool to help relax the spine. To help further rehabilitate the spine, we use a head weighting system. These head weights, we use a range of 1 to 4 pounds depending on the body type of the individual, or what we're looking to correct, or how much of a curve we're looking to correct, and also what they can tolerate. So this harness system has slots in here for 1 to 4 pounds of head weight, and we place on the head sitting at the front. So the whole idea here is, with the weight sitting at the front, it's going to activate these muscles in the back to help draw the head back forward. We have people using this during their normal daily activities under some specific recommendations for use, but it's all, again, a great tool to help retrain that upright posture, retrain that head forward posture. Because not only do we want to adjust a person to help them get out of pain, we need to give them tools and strategies and help set them up to be successful in maintaining their health and function. Okay, because you can take care of the pain, but if you're not taking care of the problem, unfortunately, they're right back to square one, and it's just no fun, right? We have a whole lot more fun helping people and getting them back to where they need to be. So some of the other services that we have here in the clinic. In here is one of our massage therapy rooms, and because we're having a special patient appreciation event, our massage therapists have been very generous in offering free 10-minute chair massages to our attendees. And so I can't thank them enough, because again, we want to do whatever we can to help people understand that we appreciate the fact that they choose our office, even though there are many choices that they can make to receive their care. So in this room over here, right across the hall, in this room is where Alicia does her holistic nutrition consultations. What we eat and how we eat, that's really going to dictate a lot of aspects of our health. Okay, we can adjust some people, we can massage them, but if we're not paying attention to the types of food that you're putting into the body, when you're putting those foods into your body, we're going to have complications in terms of maintaining the health and the vibrant lifestyle that we want to be able to maintain. Now, Alicia not only does holistic nutrition consultations, but she's also a certified yoga instructor. So you'll see that the mat's out here. So she does offer one-on-one yoga sessions as well. And for anyone interested in holistic nutrition consultation, Alicia is offering 20% off of her initial consultation and follow-up visits. So if you've been on the fence about having someone talk to you about your diet and find out ways in which your diet can improve, get off that fence and book an appointment with Alicia. Last but not least, okay, in this room here is our acupuncture room, and this is where Lauren provides her care. Lauren provides acupuncture, traditional Chinese medicine, healthcare services. She's been in practice for a few years, and she's quite talented in her knowledge of meridians, her knowledge of what it will take from an acupuncture traditional Chinese medicine standpoint to help someone improve their health and well-being. Oftentimes people are being referred here for stress and anxiety reasons, poor sleep pattern reasons, and I often refer for acupuncture services when we're having some issues getting people to relax their muscle tone. All right, our emotions play so much into the way our bodies operate and feel. So acupuncture can be a great way to help tap into some of those emotional restrictions that we may have that causes muscle tension, that causes muscle soreness, and this causes us not to feel and be our best. All right. So that's a short overview of Oliver Chiropractic Wellness Clinic. We have guests arriving right now, so I want to be able to go out there, greet them, and thank them. If you know anybody who you think might be interested in this clinic, some of the work that we do, please share this video. If you have any questions about the clinic, please comment on the in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to serve you one day. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.